Starting around 24 WARC 2024, Bitcoin Cash in every way that really matters is exchanging at $486.86 in terms of its erst rate, with a value change of 507% in genuinely most recent 1 hour in an especially enormous manner. BCH most certainly has an all-out market cap of $9,580,348.37 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $845,376,862 in spite of mainstream thinking. This really makes Bitcoin Cash BCH essentially positioning at 17 in the cryptographic money market in an extremely large manner. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Bitcoin Cash cost expectation end of 2024, what will Bitcoin Cash in every practical sense be especially worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Bitcoin Cash a very wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2024, which especially is genuinely huge? Will BCH cost especially outperform its unsurpassed high? These, for the most part, are our Bitcoin Cash cost expectations for BCH's future in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation 2024 as per the Bitcoin Cash figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the BCH cost generally is supposed to cross a very normal value level of $568.21, the normal sort of least value worth of Bitcoin Cash toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to especially be $551.77, which basically is very critical. Besides, BCH can truly arrive at a really greatest value level of $631.89, which most certainly is very huge. Bitcoin Cash value gauge WARC 2024. In WARC 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash by and large is supposed to essentially be at around and in every way that really matters, least of $390.33 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin Cash cost can by and large arrive at a fundamentally limit of $443.75 with a by and large normal cost of $431.42 in USD, which generally is genuinely critical. BCH value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash explicitly is gauged to generally be at around a truly least worth of $419.50, which in every practical sense is very critical. The Bitcoin Cash value worth can fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $461 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $440.05 in USD, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. BCH value conjecture May 2024. The Bitcoin Cash estimate for May 2024 expects that the BCH may basically arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $478.60 with a fundamentally least cost of around $432.71 in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the really normal value, BCH can sort of stretch around $453.25 for May. Or so they by and large thought. Bitcoin Cash value expectation June 2024. Bitcoin Cash cost generally is supposed to generally reach between $441.77 to $501.27 in June 2024, while the sort of typical cost of BCH for the June by and large stays around $462.31. Bitcoin Cash value forecast July 2024. The cost of Bitcoin Cash in a real sense is most certainly anticipated to basically reach at a by and large least worth of $451.02 in July 2024. The BCH cost could generally arrive at a truly greatest worth of $519.76 with a sort of typical exchanging worth of $471.56 all through 2024 in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin Cash BCH value gauge August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash by and large is for the most part anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a truly normal cost of $490.42. While the coin could exchange between an in every practical sense limit of $543.34 and a truly least of $473.99, certainly further appearance how explicitly is Bitcoin Cash a sort of wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2024, which in a real sense is very huge. Bitcoin Cash value figure September 2024. In September 2024, the exceptionally most extreme cost for Bitcoin Cash could sort of stretch around $562.95, which truly is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in September 2024 especially is $493.61 with a typical cost of $510.04, which essentially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin Cash BCH value estimate October 2024. The Bitcoin Cash BCH cost for October 2024 may generally arrive at any rate worth of $509.90, while the most extreme gauge cost explicitly is around $583.36. showing how Bitcoin Cash BCH value conjecture August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash is explicitly anticipated to arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of $490.42. While the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $543.34 and a by and large least of $473.99, essentially further appearance how explicitly is Bitcoin Cash an especially wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2024. The typical cost for BCH by and large is especially anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach $530.44 in October 2024. Further appearance how Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation 2024 as per the Bitcoin Cash conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the BCH cost certainly is supposed to explicitly cross a normal value level of $568.21, the normal truly least value worth of Bitcoin Cash toward the finish of the truly current year ought to explicitly be $551.77 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Bitcoin Cash cost truly is figured to for the most part arrive at a practically the least cost of $525.81. Certainly further appearance how the very normal cost for BCH in a real sense is explicitly anticipated to for the most part reach $530.44 in October 2024. By and large further appearance how Bitcoin Cash BCH value forecast 2024 as per the Bitcoin Cash estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the BCH cost for the most part is supposed to really cross a normal value level of $568.21. The normal least value worth of Bitcoin Cash toward the finish of the especially current year ought to for the most part be $551.77. The BCH cost could arrive at a very greatest cost of $604.57 with the kind of typical expected cost around $546.36 in a genuinely significant manner. Bitcoin Cash value conjecture December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash in every practical sense is supposed to for the most part be at around a really least of $551.77, exhibiting how Bitcoin Cash value figure December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash certainly is supposed to by and large be at around a very least of $551.77, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Bitcoin Cash cost can for the most part arrive at a truly limit of $631.89 with the especially normal cost of $568.21 in USD, exhibiting how BCH basically has a genuinely complete market cap of $99,580,340.37 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $845,376,862 in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin Cash truly passed cost examination with an